Welcome back to my channel. Hello ladies, gentlemen, and everyone in between. Today, we're diving into something that most men, and even many women, completely overlook. The power of words. Attraction isn't just about looks, money, or status. It's about how you make someone feel. And one of the most underrated tools in your arsenal, a well-placed compliment. But here's the game changer. Not all compliments are created equal. Surface-level flattery, like, "you look cute," or "nice outfit," won't cut it. No, today I'm breaking down 8 powerful compliments that go beyond shallow praise and tap into deep psychological triggers. These aren't just words, they're bridges to connection, respect, and unforgettable chemistry. When you understand the Stoic approach to influence and attraction, the power of self-control, calculated words, and presence, you realize that it's not just what you say, but how you say it and what your words make her feel. Compliment number 1. That fragrance you're wearing is addictive. It smells amazing. Let's start with something subtle, yet incredibly powerful. Fragrance. Most guys completely miss this. But think about it. How often has a certain smell instantly transported you back to a specific moment? A summer night, a hug from someone you loved, a moment frozen in time. That's because scent is directly linked to the part of the brain responsible for emotion and memory. When you compliment a woman's fragrance, you're saying more than "you smell nice." You're telling her, "Your presence lingers in my mind," even after you've walked away. And here's the key. Deliver this compliment with quiet confidence. Don't shout it, mean it. Say it like someone who values himself and doesn't need validation. Watch her body language shift. She'll remember that moment, not just today, but every time she sprays that fragrance. Compliment number 2. Your smile could brighten up an entire room. A smile isn't just a curve on her face, it's energy, a vibe, a frequency that shifts the atmosphere. When you tell a woman, "Your smile could brighten up an entire room," you're not just complimenting her teeth or her looks, you're recognizing her presence. You're saying, "Your energy has the power to change the emotional climate of a space." Most guys focus on appearances. "You look good," "nice smile." But an emotionally intelligent man sees beyond that. He notices how her smile affects the world around her. From a Stoic perspective, this is about being present, intentional, and deliberate with your words. When you notice something as subtle as her smile and say it with sincerity, she'll feel seen. And let's be real, who wouldn't want to hear that their presence alone can light up a room? Compliment number 3. I love how authentic you are. You don't try to fit in. In a world full of masks, on social media and in real life, authenticity is revolutionary. When you tell a woman, "I love how authentic you are," you're validating one of the hardest, most courageous choices anyone can make today. You're not just admiring her looks, you're admiring her truth. You're saying, "I see who you really are, not who others want you to be." In a culture obsessed with conformity, that kind of recognition means everything. From a Stoic perspective, authenticity aligns with truth over trends. A Stoic man respects strength in others and honors courage. So when you give this compliment, you're not just being kind, you're being honest. And trust me, in a world full of pretenders, that kind of acknowledgement sticks. Compliment number 4. I love the way you see the world. It's so unique. It truly makes me think. The world is filled with clones, people living on autopilot, repeating opinions, blending into the gray crowd. But then there are those rare individuals who see the world differently. They question, they challenge, they inspire. When you tell a woman, "I love the way you see the world," you're not just throwing out a poetic line. You're recognizing her mind, her lens, her unique way of processing life. You're saying, "Your thoughts matter to me. Your perspective inspires me." This ties perfectly into Stoicism, which values clarity of thought, depth of insight, and the courage to challenge what's accepted. When you give this compliment, you're creating emotional intimacy by connecting where it matters most, in the mind. And trust me, that's the kind of compliment that stays with her for years. Compliment number 5. I love your energy. It's contagious. It makes me want to be the best version of myself. Energy is everything. There are people who drain you the moment they walk into a room. And then there are those who elevate it. That woman you're talking to, she's the latter. When you tell her, your energy makes me want to be the best version of myself, you're giving her one of the highest forms of recognition. You're saying, you inspire growth. You spark something in me. The Stoic man values growth and surrounds himself with people who push him forward. So when you honor her impact, you're not just admiring her mood, you're respecting her ability to amplify your potential. That's not flattery, that's deep respect. Compliment number 6. You're honestly one of the most thoughtful people I've ever met. You really care about others, and it shows. In a world full of loud self-promotion and performative kindness, genuine thoughtfulness is rare. When you tell a woman, you're one of the most thoughtful people I've ever met, you're cutting through the noise and acknowledging something most people overlook. You're noticing the little things, how she remembers details, checks in without needing to, and goes out of her way to make others feel valued. That's not charm, that's character. The Stoics believed that virtue is the foundation of a good life. When you compliment her thoughtfulness, you're aligning with that philosophy. You're honoring her goodness, her empathy, and her wisdom. And trust me, she'll never forget the man who saw that in her. Compliment number 7. I love how driven you are. Your sense of purpose is inspiring. Drive separates those who coast from those who create. In a world full of distractions and instant gratification, finding someone with real ambition is like discovering treasure. When you say, I love how driven you are, you're not just hyping her up, you're admiring her mission, her hustle, her late nights. You're saying, I respect your mindset. Driven people aren't looking for attention, they're too busy building. So when you acknowledge their fire, it means everything. From a Stoic perspective, intentionality and purpose are vital. When you recognize her ambition, you're seeing a kindred spirit, and that's a compliment that doesn't fade. Compliment number 8. You have this incredible way of making people feel comfortable and truly valued. Emotional intelligence is a quiet superpower that can't be faked. Some people walk into a room and command attention, but a rare few walk in and create connection. When you tell a woman, you have this incredible way of making people feel comfortable, you're speaking to her soul. You're honoring her ability to heal, connect, and make others feel like they matter. In a world where most people feel invisible, that's a gift. The Stoics taught us to live with empathy, presence, and purpose. When you compliment her emotional intelligence, you're acknowledging something increasingly rare and unforgettable. There you have it. 8 powerful compliments that go way beyond surface-level flattery. These aren't just lines. They're bridges to connection, mutual respect, and unforgettable chemistry. Because here's the truth, a woman might forget what you said, but she will never forget how you made her feel. If you found these insights valuable, wait until you see what's next. Click on the video now, popping up on your screen. No woman can ignore these 7 good morning texts. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Type, words have power if you're ready to master connection. One intentional word at a time. Let's do this.